What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, we do have a price update, price prediction on Origin Protocol, which has pumped up 23% in the last 24 hours and currently sitting at just under 17 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to invest? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you are on a profit, or should you just hold on to it before it goes even higher? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high or how low this crypto can go, and especially with 2023 just around the corner, is OGN a good investment, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. We can see in the last 24 hours, the market has gone up just about 0.5%, nothing too crazy. And Scale is one of the top gainers, but Origin token is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, gaining over 25%. So in the last hour itself, we can see it's managed to gain just above 3% in value. Over the last day, 21%, over the week, 16%, and over the month, 12%. So most of the month, it was more or less fluctuating around 14-15 cents all up until now, where it managed to hit 17 cents, and it did hit 18 cents as well about an hour or two ago, as you can see here, but it has taken a little dip ever since. Going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has gone up by a massive 370% in the last 24 hours, making it $57 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Origin Protocol. We're seeing a lot of buys, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it has been getting a lot of attention recently, especially with the pump that's taking place right now. We can see we've got a 78% buy against 22% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have a candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, we're just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the daily chart. We can see the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Origin Protocol, which at the moment is 0.1433. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at 0.1686, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue line and the orange line heading towards the positive direction, looking quite bullish. However, they are looking very steep, guys, and the only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep going up in value, it's going to keep pumping, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I am expecting the crypto to slowly and steadily start to drop back down in value. We can already see it starting to drop in value. As you can see, we've got 3 red candlesticks here, and I'm expecting more red candlesticks over the next couple of hours. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, so let's say towards tomorrow morning, we should expect Origin Protocol to be trading below the 16 cents target. Potentially around 15 cents is what I'm predicting at the moment. Again, it doesn't mean we're going to be consistently hitting red candles. No, guys, we are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect more drops in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive. And once again, that doesn't, it means it's not realistic at all. Again, the exact same reason applies here. So over the next couple of days, so let's say by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting an overall decrease in value on Origin Protocol, potentially dropping below the 15 cents target by the end of next week is what my predictions are. And again, exact same applies here. It doesn't mean it's going to be hitting red candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days and green days, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side, so do expect more drops in value over the coming days. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see guys, the graph was going in a smooth and steady direction all up until now. We can see the blue line is looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, looking quite sharp as well compared to how it was performing before. However, the orange line is still looking, quite smooth, going in a bullish direction. Yes, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value over the next couple of weeks. So I'm talking about mid to late December, so towards the end of the year, I am expecting an overall increase in value on Origin Protocol, but not a crazy increase, just a minimal increase, potentially going just above the 20 cents target by the end of December is what my predictions are as of right now. However, you guys know cryptocurrency has not been performing too well since the beginning of 2022, or even December 2021 is when it started to go downhill, and it hasn't stopped. It's still going downhill. We've had our pumps here and there in between, but overall it has been moving towards the negative direction. So if there are any major changes or major updates that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of OGN, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, there isn't much we can do here, only because we are not only trading in the red zone, but we are literally in the lowest part of the red zone. And for us to even hit the green zone, the resistance target here, we're gonna have to hit 88 cents, which I'm not expecting from Origin Protocol anytime soon, because that's gonna require us to go for at least about 500 to 600% increase, which I'm not expecting from this crypto at all. So more or less, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for the next year and a half. However, that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in a positive direction, heading towards the green zone, we should be good. But again guys, it's going to be a slow and steady process. It's not like we're going to go there anytime soon, but again, slow and steady is better rather than just pumping all the way up and then dropping back down. It doesn't make it stable, it makes it look bad in a way. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on OGN. Guys, what I want you guys to do is comment down below what is the highest or lowest figure you guys predict OGN to hit in 2022. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments. But yeah, that is pretty much it guys for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.